everybody, my name is Shania and today on the program I'm the speaker. So our topic is how to stay healthy. Our guest's name is Huda. So there are some questions. Welcome Huda.
Thank you.
So the first question is, what does it mean when we say how to stay healthy?
It's mean that to pay attention to your health.
Great. So why do you think health is important?
Of course it's important. If we don't eat healthy food, if we don't follow what doctors say to us, I'm quite sure you will be in bad health.
Can you tell us some ways to be healthy?
Get enough sleep and watch less TV, eat less sugar, have less stress, and cut coffee in your diet and spend less money.
Great. Do we have more activities to be healthy and stay fit?
Yes, we have more activity to do it.
Where are they?
Climb stairs, ride a bike, do course, jump up and down, and rearrange furniture.
Thank you, dear. You give us many good tips to staying healthy. What do you need to say at the end?
At the end, I want to say finally, we have to follow what doctors say to us. If we don't do it, we will be in bad health. And follow the instructions in order to stay healthy.
Great. So guys, thank you for Huda, thank you for watching. So this is all we need to say. Please stay healthy because staying healthy depends on your future. Then bye.